Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna change the spark plug on the Chevy Cruze 2017 with the 1.4 turbo. This job is really easy, so you can take this number to get the right AC Delco spark plug. So this job is very easy. I'm sorry, in this case I didn't have the cover because someone decided to remove it, but you just have to pop off this cover. I think there's a bolt right there, but this is pretty easy to remove. And now you're gonna have a great access to the coil pack. So as you see right there, you got 4 bolts. Those bolts are 10 millimeters, so you have to remove them to begin. So I recommend you to do 1 cylinder at each time to make sure that you don't invert the coil pack. But as you see, it's gonna be hard to make a mistake because the left of the wire are made to be just right there. This is too short to be there, so don't stress with that. So you just have to remove the 10 millimeters. And now remove the coil pack. Just have to pull on it. You can let the coil pack on the wire, but if you really want to remove it, you just have to take a pick like this and pull on the red tab, just like this, and you just have to press down the top of the connector to release it. That easy. It's just easy like that. If you want to make it correctly, start at this side of the engine, because as you see, the hole got an access just like this in angle. So you want to start on this side to have a nice access every time if you don't want to unplug everything. Okay, so now we remove every coil pack, so you got a nice access to the spark plug, and you're gonna need a 14 millimeter socket just like this one. And those boxes are express done for a spark plug. They are magnetic and they got a kind of rubber in the end to not break the porcelain on the spark plug. By the way, I'm sorry for my English because my first language is French. So I recommend you to don't use power tools to remove the spark plug and to put back the spark plug, because the last thing you want to make is to break the threads on the head cover of your engine. So take your time, don't rush anything, and it's gonna be easier. You can use a magnet if you want to help you. So this is what should look your spark plug. So as you see, this is exactly what you want to see from an old spark plug. So this is great. I think those spark plug has been changed, but because we don't know, we're gonna make the maintenance anyway. But you can take a look on this chart to give you an idea of the condition of your engine, because spark plug colors and the condition of the end of your spark plug can tell you a lot of information about the condition of your engine. By example, if they are pretty clean, there's a good chance that you're gonna have coolant in your oil. So this is why it's gonna be very clean, and this is really bad. So this is what you should see. Okay, so now you can drop the spark plug carefully. You can use a magnet just like this to help you. And now you want to start the thread carefully with the box. You don't want to force anything. It should go just like this with the tip of your finger. And now to torque the the spark plug at the right spec, you should torque it at 18 foot-pound of torque. So you can use a torque wrench to make sure that you got the right torque spec. But if you don't have, which I don't recommend you to not have, you can just tighten it and give it a little more, but don't go crazy because you really don't want to strip the threads of your spark plug. So now with my torque wrench set to 18 foot-pound, just like this. So you're gonna be sure that you're not gonna strip anything. So this is the same process for every spark plug, and after that you just have to put back your coil pack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.